Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. Right now, you are seeing an unsupported PC running Windows 10 Pro. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to download a Windows Disk Image or ISO. So I'm going to select download Windows 11 and choose my language, which is English International, and click confirm. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit download. I've already downloaded it and it's already there in my file, so I'm not gonna have this download right now. And right now I'm gonna open my files and I'm gonna mount the file and I'm gonna run the setup. So now the Windows 11 logo appears and we should wait for it to hit 100% and it will show install Windows 11 and now click next. Now it shows getting updates. This might take a while. And after that, this will show. So restarting Windows 11 setup, it will just close and open up again. And when it opens up, it won't show the same thing, but it will show checking your PC, which means it will check if our PC is supported for Windows 11 or not. And it will pop up again. And there we go, checking your PC. And there we go, it says it's unsupported, so give a like and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Now I'm gonna open my browser and search for Win11 detector.netlify.app. So this link will be in the description. Now I'm gonna download TPM 2.0 and secure boot bypasser. So I'm gonna click on the download button below and now it's gonna download. As you can see, it got downloaded it. Now it's in my files. I'm gonna open my files and I'm gonna extract that folder. Now that I've extracted it, I'm gonna open the folder. Now I'm gonna click bypass 11 and skip TPM check on dynamic update as administrator. Now a notification like this might come, like Windows protected your PC but clicked run anyway. Now it's gonna come up. So first it opens up CMD, but then after some time it will open PowerShell and it will bypass it. So it has bypassed it again. So if you run this program again, you will unbypass it, so don't run this program again. So go back to downloads, go to the Windows 11 ISO, mount it, and run the setup again. So I'm going to run the setup again, and it shows checking your PC again, and there we go. It does not show that message because we already bypassed it. So basically everything is done. And now I'm going to show you how to do the further steps, like how to install it. So right now I'm going to reset my PC and I'm going to click nothing. So I'm resetting my PC, so I'll show you the further steps. And don't worry, this might come and just click OK. It's just basically telling us that our PC is unsupported and everything. And now it shows ready to install. Now go ahead and click install. And after you click install, it will come like this, installing Windows Server. And after some time, our PC will restart, a PC or laptop will restart, and Now the instead of the Windows 10 logo, the Windows 11 logo appears, and so it's going to install. So right now it's basically going to just install the software, and it might restart in between. Yeah, as you can see, installing 0%, and you can see over there your computer may restart a few times. So it restarted the first time, and so it's gonna restart again, and yeah, it shows installing 65%, and then wait until 100%. It's basically not this fast. It's because I increase the speed while editing it to save time. So this might take a bit time. So after that, this blank screen might come, but don't worry, it's just the Windows logo to appear. You can see those lines over there. It's the Windows 11 logo, and you can see it turning blue. And so there we go, Windows 11. So right now, as you know, I've resetted my PC, so I'm going to set it up. So I'm going to set it up. After setting it up, this might take a few minutes. This might show, and after that, what you'll be seeing is your new Windows 11 PC. There we go, a Windows 11 PC. From the unsupported PC to the Windows 11 PC. So right now I'm going to open settings. Just look at that design. So look at the settings logo, and now I'm gonna scroll down below and go ahead and click About. There's a huge difference in the settings compared to Windows 10. And when I scroll down, you can see that Edition Windows 11 Pro. Now I'm gonna open WinVer, which is a Windows version. And once I open it up, you can see it's Windows 11. So thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more video like this, and give a like. So the next video I'm gonna upload is about how to install Windows Subsystem for Android on an 8 GB RAM PC or laptop.